Teaching English online can be a great side hustle or a source of extra income, especially if you can get paid up to $25 an hour. So how do you even get started? In this video, I'm covering how to teach English online and get paid for it. Hey guys, welcome back to The College Investor, the place for investing in personal finance for millennials. I'm sure you've heard of teaching English online as a source to bring in extra income to either pay down your debt or maybe fuel a very fun savings goal. So a lot of us are like, what qualifications do I need to teach English online? Well, for starters, the big misconception is that you have to have a degree in English. And you don't. You don't have to have a degree in English to qualify. There are several qualifying factors that you'll want to take into account, but it's easier than you think in order to get approved to teach English online. First things first, you need to be fluent in English. So native speakers are preferred, but if you have fluency in English, you are definitely qualified. The next thing is you should have a desire to teach. If you've taught in a formal setting before, this can be really helpful, but you don't need to be a professional teacher or have that professional teaching experience in order to teach English online. Just a desire to teach and help those who want to perfect the English language. You also need to have available time on your calendar for when you want to tutor your students. You'll need a payment portal, especially if you will be finding your own clients or students, and a video conferencing service like Skype or Zoom. So it's best to do this on a desktop or laptop so you can share your screen. Virtual whiteboards are definitely a part of the process, or you can show your students a PowerPoint presentation. You'll also want a written cancellation policy if you'll be seeking out your own students instead of depending on a platform. So there are two different ways you can teach English online. You can either sign up for an online-based company, or you can run your own operation through a blog or YouTube channel. If you choose to work with an online company, you will get paid an hourly wage, and that is dependent on how the company operates. So you'll either get a going rate and you'll be told this is going rate for you teaching English with us, or you can set your own rate, and we'll cover that through the different companies that are available for you to teach online with. All right, so we found 10 different companies that teach English online, including VIP Kid, Wisen, Tutorcom, English Hunt, Lingoda, Cambly, Cafe Talk, Data, Education First, and Go Fluent. You'll want to do your own research here, but in this video, I want to cover some of the top players, which is VIP Kid, Wisen, and Tutor.com. You've probably heard of VIP Kid. There's numerous reviews online that you can look at in terms of the tutors and teachers who have gone through VIP Kid. But what's interesting about this one is that you can sign up, and once you're approved, you have the provided platform, resources. There's even a provided curriculum. So all of your tools are already set up, and you just hop in and start scheduling your students and your tutoring sessions. Now, most of your students are going to come from China on this platform, so you'll have to be mindful of the time differences when you're scheduling your tutor sessions. And according to the website, you can make up to $22 per hour. So this could be a good gig for you if you want to consider VIP Kid. The next platform is Wisen, and Wisen actually provides tutors on a variety of subjects, not just English. So there are a ton of subjects that you could teach for. And the cool thing about this website that I really liked is that it was founded by 2 Princeton graduates. So I don't know, I think that's kind of cool. And you can set your own hourly rate. When you sign up, you will be listed in their marketplace for students to find you, and there's no premium feature for the marketplace. In other words, you're not paying extra to be listed on that marketplace, which keeps things really fair, and I really appreciate that about Wisen. Similar to Wisen, Tutor.com provides tutors on a variety of subjects other than English English. The one thing about this platform though is that they do give preference to doctorates, PhD students, adjunct professors, teachers. So even if you're not in those professions or have those pedigrees, you can still apply and still be considered as an applicant. You also have to be a college sophomore or higher in order to apply to become a tutor. One thing to note here on the English tutors, if they have an influx of English tutors and teachers, then you may not actually be approved to become an English tutor. So they limit how many English tutors that they have available. So just keep that in mind as well. Regardless of which company you choose, the most that you need to get started is a reliable internet connection and a webcam. So it can be really simple to start up and get going with an online company to teach English. So if none of these sound like a good option to you, you could opt to start your own operation through a blog or a YouTube channel. If you choose to run your own business, it can have its challenges and ups and downs, but what's really cool about this is that you have the potential to build your own audience. You have the potential to earn income without a cap, so the income potential is significant. And you can create your own products, things like ebooks or online courses, and you can really create your own operation out of this and get a really significant income if you put in the hard work in the beginning. Now, the disadvantage to running your own blog or YouTube channel that a lot of people struggle with in the beginning is building that initial audience. Months can go by, sometimes up to a year, before you actually see anything out of building your own operation. So you could be creating blog posts, videos, a lot of content, and not serving a whole lot of people from the get-go. But if you stick with it, you could really see some significant changes and really build your own business teaching English online for yourself. You also have the ability to add in affiliate income through affiliate marketing, or once you reach certain qualifications on YouTube and your blog, you could apply for Google AdSense and start making ad revenue off of those videos and blog posts. And if you decide to start your own YouTube channel, you'll obviously need your own camera equipment and editing software to make that happen. Those can be additional costs, so you'll want to make sure that this is going to benefit you in the long run. All right, so those are two different ways to teach English online. One, you can sign up for an online-based company and get started with their own platform. Or two, you can start your own operation. If you sign up with an online-based company, be aware that you are subject to the company's changes and rules. And if you decide on a YouTube channel, keep in mind that it does take time to build an audience. Either way, you can see earning potential from teaching English online. For more resources on side income and how to make extra money, be sure to check out thecollegeinvestor.com.